Hey guys, this is my Yamaha FJR 1300 and this is 2013 model. And the other day uh, I'm around 5'7", 7.5 maybe, and the ideal height to drive this bike, probably in my opinion, is around 5'8", 5'9". Um, because the seat is too wide. Uh, anyway, so what happened was I'm pretty, usually I'm very careful on where I'm stopping, whether I will be able to, is it a plain flat surface or not. So for some reason, the other day I parked somewhere which was slightly, slanting kind of surface. And I was just sitting on the bike, and for some reason, I wanted to do something and kind of disbalance a bit. And because of the weight of the bike, gradually had to, let it go, and it just dropped. Um as a result of that, uh, the my left hand mirror from outside it's perfectly fine. There's a small scratch here, and of course there is some scratch here as well, but other than that, the mirror is intact. Even the the nuts underneath is also intact. So I was not aware, no, I was not getting understanding what's going on, but the mirror was kind of loose. So ultimately, today I got some time. I opened this whole thing. This comes here actually, you know, and I will. It's a little tricky to open this whole thing. Yeah, I will put a link to a video where you can find how to open this. All right, so but once you open it, uh, you will see that the mirror from outside is a rubber pad which is holding it here, right? It's a rubber pad, and from the inside there are two nuts. The two nuts which is holding this whole mirror, and that two nuts is actually connected to a frame, and I believe this frame is a bigger frame, is one part of the same frame which is connecting the other mirror, and I think also it is holding the uh, windshield. So to replace this, I have to probably remove half of the bike from the front, including windshield. Windshield is not a problem, but this has to be removed. I believe this side fairing, at least one side has to be removed. I saw a video where one person has done it, and I will put that link in this video as well. Uh, he has done the whole thing. I mean, he replaced the whole thing, so he has to remove everything. Now, I honestly do not have that much patience to take out the entire thing. So I thought, what could be the alternate solution, uh, at least temporarily. So I thought did some research and found that this is a metal. This is a solid metal. So now I found some industrial grade glue. It's kind of a welding thing which will hold it back. And I don't know how long it will going to last, but I think it's worth a try. Right now, as you can see, this whole thing is cracked. I think it's worth to do this and see what's ultimately, if I have to replace, then we have to replace it. So the product that I finally uh, uh, found, that this one, see, and there's a good video for it, looks like a industrial grade product. uh, you have to mix both of them uh, to before you put it. All right, so here is the final uh, so far. So I've applied the mixture and I put a weight on the mirror. It's a solid board to hold it. It says it's gonna take uh, 4 to 6 hours to set, and followed by cure would be another 15 to 24 hours. Allow 4 to 6 hours before handling and 15 hours minimum before putting object back into use. All right, so I'm gonna keep it uh, like this for a couple of days. Anyway, this is the middle of the week, so I usually ride over the weekends. Hopefully by weekend this will set in. Put it in, if you'd like to know whether it hold, but depending on when you are checking this video, if you're interested to know if it really worked or not, put a comment. I will respond. I hope it will work, because the product supposed to, this is supposed to be an industrial grade product. So it's supposed to, I mean, as I said, I don't ride too crazy, so hopefully it will hold. I know it doesn't look that nice, but at the end of the day, this will be inside the cover, right? So you won't be able to see it. So hopefully this works. Thank you for watching.